Hi guys, it's Tracy and I am back today with another Boxycharm. And this is the base box. This is the $25 box. Mister's on the table, ready to go. And yeah, so this is a $25 box. This is the first one that they came out, and then there's the $35 one, which I already unboxed this month, which I was kind of annoyed at, and I'll link that over there. They did issue me like a $12 credit and like some charms for the repeat items, which I'm like, dude, I want to have the product. I don't want the charms. And so whatever. But yeah, at least they gave me a little bit of credit. So today on my eyes, I'm wearing the Alter Ego Blooms palette. This is a dupe for the Natasha Denona Love palette. And this is the first time I'm using it. And so far, seems pretty good. And on my lips I have one of the Revlon Shine in, I know it's shade 11. I can't really read the writing because I'm blind like that. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you like the video. If you do, could you all please give me a thumbs up? If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Mister's here. What? Oh, you wanted to open the box? Here, you can hold the card. You hold the card, okay? Your nails are long. Okay, first in the box here, we have the Ace Beauty palette, and this is the box. Red is for the base box, and this was the choice item that I chose, so I already knew that this would be in my box, and I didn't even know the box was coming today. I came home from having my birthday lunch and my box was waiting out front for me. So nice little birthday treat. So this is what this palette looks like. Really pretty, nice and colorful. So that'll be fun to use. And then, oh, let's see, the Ace Beauty palette is $38.99. And then this is the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. This is $22. This has got pores. Get this, created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel. This scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores. So that sounds good. And Saint Lux. Why does that name sound familiar? I think we got crappy eyeliners from them before. And these say limited edition liner duo. I remember the Saint Lux that we got. It was a 3-piece set that none of them were really any good. These look like they might be, these are lip liners, okay. They don't seem like they're too soft, but they might work. They feel a little hard to, it's not just like creamy. So we'll have to test those out and see. And these say that they're $40. That we all know is an overpriced, very exaggerated price. And next up is by Wander Beauty. This is their Double Date Lip and Cheek. Get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. The lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. The sheer tint blends effortlessly onto the skin, while the clear, shimmer-free balm provides comfortable hydration and glow. $22. I'm not really understanding what a clear balm is supposed to do. Let's check this out. Like, why would you want a clear balm on your face? This is the, I guess that's the colored part. And then you have this clear part. Feels like it would be sticky on your there's the, right here is the I guess the blush part, the tint. It has a nice color, but then the balm is just like a clear kind of sticky tacky feel to it. So we'll have to see what other people are doing or how they're using that, because I don't know how to use a clear balm, and that it just feels like they would both be sticky like on your face, and I don't know that you'd want to feel stickiness on your face. And then the last product is Hanskin Hyaluron Skin Essence. And this says it is $46. Developed by the inventors of K-Beauty's first BB cream, this hydrating essence helps you achieve glass skin with sodium hyaluronate, a powerful moisturizer capable of holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water. The cushiony, non-sticky formula instantly quenches and restores your skin's natural glow. It's a nice heavy bottle. It must be a glass bottle. No, it's actually plastic. I thought it was glass. It's heavy. So you can always use something with hydration. So let's see how much our box was worth. Let's see. We'll say $39 for the palette. 22, 44, 46, and 40. So $169 for this box for 25 bucks. Pretty good. At least we didn't get any repeats in this box, which is good, because I would have really probably lost my mind. There probably wouldn't even be a video this month. So that is what I got in my base box of Boxycharm. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're a returning watcher, thank you so much for coming back. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.